Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making Gobhi Keema, that is cauliflower keema, or you may say minced cauliflower dry curry. Keema in general refers to minced meat or mutton. It is prepared by mincing, that means pounding or chopping any type of meat into very fine pieces, and then it is cooked and spiced with many flavorful Indian spices. Today we are cooking Gobhi Keema, that is minced cauliflower dry curry, which is spicy and very flavorful delicious dish. Few whole and ground Indian spices take this delicious vegetarian keema dish to another level. We have added green peas also in it, which makes it perfect keema Matar dish. You also cook this fabulously flavorful and a bit spicy vegetarian keema Matar dish. Everyone including non-vegetarian eaters also are going to love it for sure. And one special note for non-vegetarian eaters: simply substitute any type of minced meat with minced gobhi and cook it. By this recipe you will find amazingly flavorful and delicious keema Matar ready. We are using one head cauliflower of approximately 300 gram in weight. It will be sufficient to serve 3 people as main dish and 6 people if served as side dish. Remove stem of cauliflower and wash it thoroughly, then pat dry it. Grate washed and dried cauliflower using larger holes of vegetable grater, or you may simply chop it into tiny pieces. Do not grate or chop into too fine pieces. Apart from cauliflower we need few more vegetables. Grate 2 medium-sized tomatoes, peel and chop 1 medium-size onion. Boil about 2 tablespoons of fresh green peas. You may use frozen peas also if like to. Also peel and chop 1-inch long piece of fresh ginger root and chop 1 or 2 fresh green chilies. Using green chili is absolutely optional and you may omit it if don't want to add into this dish. Put a pan or wok on medium heat and add about 2 tablespoons cooking oil or ghee in it. We are using refined oil, but you may use any choicest oil or ghee. Actually ghee adds more flavor into keema, but we are using refined oil. Use spatula to spread cooking oil or ghee all over to grease the bottom of pan or wok. Add 1/4 teaspoon haldi powder, that is ground turmeric powder, into oil and mix it well. Now add grated or minced gobhi, that is cauliflower, into wok. Stir to mix and coat cauliflower mince with turmeric oil evenly. Adding turmeric powder at this stage will not only add nutrient values but will deliver beautiful color also. Shift pan with cauliflower mince onto side stove at medium-low heat and allow cooking for 10 to 15 minutes while stirring occasionally. In the meanwhile, when cauliflower is cooking, let's prepare masala for keema. Put another pan or wok at medium heat and add 1 tablespoon cooking oil or ghee in it to prepare masala. Add 3/4 to 1 teaspoon sabut jeera, that is whole cumin seeds, into it. Also add 1 bay leaf and 6 to 8 sabut kali mirch, that is black peppercorns. You may add more whole spices of choice like cloves, mace or cinnamon. Stir and fry whole spices for few seconds on medium heat. Add chopped onion into wok. Stir and saute for 4 to 5 minutes. Saute while stirring occasionally until onion turns golden brown. Don't forget to stir minced cauliflower occasionally on other stove. Add chopped fresh ginger root and chopped green chili after onion is browned well. You may add some chopped garlic also at this stage if like to. Stir and saute for 2 minutes. Now add grated tomatoes into wok. Stir and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat. Cook while stirring occasionally until rawness of tomatoes is gone and excessive water evaporates. Reduce heat to low. Add 1½ teaspoon dhaniya powder, that is ground coriander seeds, for seasoning. Also add 1/4 teaspoon haldi powder, that is ground turmeric powder, salt to taste, and red chili powder to taste. Stir and saute for 2 minutes on low heat. Stir continuously while sauteing so that spices don't get burnt. Now add 1 tablespoon plain dahi, that is plain curd or yogurt, into masala mixture. Increase heat to medium and mix well. Cook while stirring occasionally for 3 to 4 minutes. Cook at medium heat until almost all of excessive water evaporates and grease is released from masala mixture. By this time minced cauliflower is also well cooked. Add it into masala in wok. Stir to mix and cook for 2 minutes at medium heat. Toss and mix all homogeneously. Now add pre-boiled green peas into it. Stir to mix and cook for another couple of minutes, then reduce heat to medium-low. Taste and adjust the seasoning. Add whatever is required to your taste. Also add 1/2 teaspoon or to taste garam masala. Stir to mix well evenly and cook for another minute. Now add 1 or 2 teaspoon ghee, that is clarified butter, into keema. Adding ghee is optional, but adding ghee after keema has cooked enhances the flavor and taste of keema. Stir to mix and roast Gobhi Keema for 2 minutes on medium-low heat. This step of roasting keema with ghee will take the taste of keema to other level. Now add some chopped fresh cilantro or green coriander into keema. Stir to mix and roast for a final minute, then remove from heat and transfer into serving bowl. Delicious Gobhi Keema, that is minced cauliflower dry curry, is ready. Serve warm accompanied with naan roti or paranthi and enjoy. We hope that you have liked the recipe. Please on like button below, write your views on it in comments column for sure. Your feedback means a lot to us. If watching video for the first time on our channel, then please click on our photo on screen or click on the red subscribe button below to subscribe. Also click on the bell button beside it to enable automatic notifications of our all new videos. Thanks.